Hello, everyone. Welcome back to One Page English. Today, we will listen to a simple and emotional English story. This story is for beginners. Please relax. Listen slowly. You can pause the video anytime. Part 1. It is early morning. The sun is coming up. Emma is a young girl. She wakes up in her bed. Emma looks at the clock. It is 7 a.m. She feels sleepy. Emma says, "Good morning." She gets out of bed. She walks to the kitchen. Her mother is there. Mother is making breakfast. Emma looks at her mom. Emma says, "Good morning, Mom." Mother smiles and says, "Good morning, my dear." Emma sits at the table. She watches her mother. Her mother looks busy. She is cooking. She is checking her phone. Emma feels quiet. Part 2. Emma asks softly, "Mom?" Mother says, "Yes, Emma." Emma asks, "Mom, do you love me?" Mother stops cooking. She looks at Emma. She smiles gently. Mother says, "Of course, I love you." Emma looks down. She says, "But you are always busy." Mother feels surprised. She sits next to Emma. Mother asks, "Why do you feel this way?" Emma says, "You work all the time. You are on your phone. You don't talk to me much." Part 3. Mother takes a deep breath. She holds Emma's hand. Mother says, "I work because I love you." Emma looks confused. Mother continues, "I work to give you food. I work to give you a home. I work to give you a good future." Emma listens carefully. Mother says slowly, "Love is not only words. Love is care. Love is responsibility." Emma stays quiet. Part 4. Emma asks, "So, you love me even when you're busy?" Mother smiles. She says, "Yes, always." Emma smiles a little. Mother says, "But I understand your feelings." Mother puts her phone away. She says, "Come here." Emma hugs her mother. Mother hugs her back. They feel warm and happy. Part 5. They eat breakfast together. Mother asks, "How is your school?" Emma says, "It is good." Mother listens carefully. She does not check her phone. Emma feels happy. She talks more. She laughs. Mother laughs too. Part 6. Emma puts on her bag. Mother helps her. Mother says, "Have a good day." Emma says, "Thank you, Mom." Before leaving, Emma asks again, "Mom, do you really love me?" Mother kneels down. She looks into Emma's eyes. Mother says slowly, "I love you more than words." Emma smiles big. She waves and goes to school. Part 7. It is evening now. Mother comes home from work. She feels tired. Emma runs to her. Emma says, "Mom, you're home." Mother smiles. She opens her arms. They hug again. Mother asks, "How was your day?" Emma says, "It was great." End message important. Dear listener, this story teaches us something important. Love is not always loud. Love is not always easy, but real love is always there. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. I feel loved. My mother cares for me. Love means time and care. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.